All right, good morning. And it's the Britches Full of Stitches here this morning. This will be for Bissy and for Jean um, and also for Emmy. You know the tune. You've already got it in your head, right? Because you got the song. Oh, the breeches full of stitches, oh, the breeches full of holes, oh, the breeches full of stitches, oh, the breeches full of holes. So that's the A part. Oh, the breeches full of stitches, oh, the breeches full of holes, oh, the breeches full of stitches, oh, the breeches full of holes. So once you have the melody in your head, it'll show up in your hands. So we're starting on a G in this playing. You want to get this little da-up, da-up. That's kind of what makes it a polka. So we'll play it through the tune first, nice and slow. Go around again. So that's it. That should be enough. Have fun. Let's see, there it is.